Our universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. Beyond our solar system lie planets that defy imagination, worlds of fire, ice, and even diamonds. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the most fascinating exoplanets ever discovered. Imagine our galaxy, the Milky Way, a swirling spiral of billions of stars. Before we journey to these alien worlds, let's take a moment to grasp the sheer audacity of their existence. For millennia, humans believed that the planets within our solar system were the only ones that existed. But in 1992, that perception shattered. Astronomers Alexander Wolfson and Dale Frail discovered two planets orbiting a pulsar, 2,300 light-years away. It was the first confirmation of planets beyond our sun. The transit method looks for tiny dips in a star's brightness when a planet passes in front of it. The radial velocity method looks for wobbles in a star's movement caused by the gravitational tug of an orbiting planet. Direct imaging attempts to capture the faint light of a planet against the blinding glare of its host star. Now let's journey to Kepler-10b, a world that exists in a realm of perpetual inferno. This scorching exoplanet, discovered in 2011, orbits so close to its star that its surface is a cauldron of molten rock and fire. Imagine a world where the ground itself is a sea of lava churning and bubbling under an oppressive heat-blasted sky. Kepler-10b is a true testament to the extremes of nature. Its close proximity to its star creates tidal forces so strong that they lock one side of the planet in perpetual daylight, while the other shivers in eternal darkness. The temperature difference fuels violent winds that whip across the planet at unimaginable speeds. Volcanoes erupt with terrifying frequency, spewing rivers of molten rock across the scorched landscape. The air is thick with noxious fumes, a toxic cocktail of sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide. From the searing heat of Kepler-10b, we journey now to a realm of cool blues and endless depths. GJ-1214b, a planet that challenges our very definition of habitable. This water world, twice the size of Earth and cloaked in a thick, steamy atmosphere, is believed to be covered entirely by a global ocean. Imagine a world without a single continent, where the only land is found on submerged mountains, lost in the crushing pressure of the abyss. The ocean of GJ-1214b is unlike anything we've ever encountered. Its immense depth and the exotic chemistry of its waters could harbor life forms stranger and more wondrous than anything we can imagine. Bioluminescent creatures might paint living murals across this alien sea. Gigantic, pressure-resistant leviathans might roam the depths, their calls echoing through the planet-wide ocean. The possibilities are as vast and mysterious as the ocean itself. Chapter 4. Diamond Planets, Worlds of Wealth. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to 55 Cancri E, a planet that glitters with the promise of unimaginable wealth. This super-Earth, twice the size of our own planet and 8 times as massive, orbits a star called 55 Cancri, located some 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. But 55 Cancri E is no ordinary planet. It's a world forged from pure carbon. Deep within its interior, under unimaginable pressure and heat, the carbon atoms have bonded together to form a substance of unparalleled brilliance and value. Diamond. Imagine a planet where mountains are made of sparkling diamonds, where rivers of liquid carbon flow through valleys of glittering dust. The sheer scale of this cosmic treasure trove is staggering. Chapter 5. Planets with Dual Suns, a Real Tatooine. Our next destination takes us to a place where science fiction becomes reality. Kepler-16b, a planet that orbits not one but 2 stars. Imagine a world where the sky is dominated by a pair of suns, casting double shadows and creating sunsets of breathtaking beauty. This is the reality of Kepler-16b, a gas giant slightly larger than Saturn, located some 200 light-years from Earth in the constellation Cygnus. Discovered in 2011, Kepler-16b was the first confirmed example of a circumbinary planet, a planet that orbits 2 stars instead of 1. It's a world of extremes, where the gravitational pull of its 2 suns creates a complex and ever-changing dance. The planet experiences 2 seasons, a long, bright summer when both stars are close together in the sky, and a short, dim winter when they are farther apart. But the most captivating aspect of Kepler-16b is undoubtedly its double sunsets. Chapter 6. rogue planets, drifters in the dark. Our cosmic journey now takes us away from the familiar warmth of starlight and into the cold, dark void of interstellar space. Here, adrift between the stars, lie the rogue planets, celestial nomads, unbound to any sun, wandering the galaxy alone. Imagine a world shrouded in perpetual darkness, illuminated only by the faint glow of distant stars. A world where the sun, that life-giving ball of fire, is nothing more than a distant memory, a pinprick of light lost in the cosmic tapestry. This is the reality of a rogue planet, a chilling yet captivating thought. These interstellar wanderers, cast adrift in the Milky Way, are incredibly difficult to detect. Without the light of a star to reflect, they are shrouded in an almost impenetrable darkness. Our cosmic quest now leads us to a class of planets that has captivated the imaginations of scientists and dreamers alike, the super-Earths. These worlds, larger and more massive than our own planet, yet smaller than Neptune, represent a tantalizing glimpse into the diversity of planetary systems and the potential for life beyond our solar system. HD 40307G, located some 42 light-years away in the constellation Pictor, is one such super-Earth. This massive world, with a mass at least 7 times that of Earth, orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a region where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on its surface. Imagine a world with rolling hills, towering mountains, and vast oceans, all bathed in the warm glow of its parent star. The gravity on a super-Earth would be stronger than what we experience on Earth, making for a challenging yet exhilarating environment. The atmosphere of a super-Earth could be denser than ours, creating a sky painted in vibrant hues. The thicker air could also support larger and more diverse flying creatures, soaring through skies unlike anything we've ever seen. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to a place both beautiful and terrifying, a stark reminder of the ephemeral nature of existence, even on a planetary scale. This is WASP-12b, a gas giant caught in a deadly dance with its star, a dance that will ultimately lead to its destruction. Imagine a world so close to its star that its atmosphere is being ripped away, forming a comet-like tail of superheated gas and dust that trails behind it for millions of kilometers. This is the fate of WASP-12b, a planet so bizarre, so extreme, that it pushes the boundaries of our understanding of planetary physics. Discovered in 2008, WASP-12b is a hot Jupiter, a gas giant that orbits incredibly close to its star. In fact, it's so close that it completes an orbit in just over 1 Earth day. The intense heat and gravitational pull of its star are causing WASP-12b to bulge at its equator, distorting its shape into something resembling a giant cosmic egg. The planet is literally being boiled alive, its atmosphere stripped away by the intense heat and radiation. Our journey through the cosmos has taken us to worlds of fire and ice, of diamonds and double sunsets, of rogue planets wandering the interstellar void, and gas giants being devoured by their stars. We've witnessed the awe-inspiring diversity of planetary systems and glimpsed the potential for life to exist in even the most extreme environments. But our exploration has just begun. For every planet we've discovered, countless more remain hidden from our view. Planets with atmospheres of pure oxygen where the sky blazes with 1,000 shades of blue. Planets with oceans of liquid methane where strange bioluminescent creatures light up the depths. Planets with rings so vast and intricate that they would put Saturns to shame. The universe is an endless frontier filled with wonders beyond our wildest imagination. As we conclude our journey across the cosmos, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and a thirst for more. These exoplanets, these distant worlds, are no longer just points of light in the night sky. They are places, real places, with their own unique stories to tell. Stories of fire and ice, of unimaginable beauty and terrifying power. The discovery of exoplanets has fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe.